Today I'll demonstrate the multi-scanner management capability now available in Tenable's cloud-based Nessus perimeter service. Before configuring our scanners, we'll need to know the perimeter service URL and the username and password for the perimeter service account. Logging into a local Nessus scanner, go to Settings, Multi-Scanner. See it's currently disabled. I'm going to choose Perimeter Service Scanner. I'm going to give it a name. You should have a consistent and self-explanatory naming system so that others will understand what we're looking at. So I'll just call this one DevLab. I will give it the credentials for my perimeter service account, username and the password, and I will put the URL for my perimeter service host. Hit save, and that's all there is to it. This can now be managed from perimeter service. This scanner can still be managed locally. You can still run scans locally. However, we now have the ability to manage it from the perimeter service. So let's jump into our perimeter service scanner. Again, we'll go to Settings, Multi-Scanner, and let's make sure that host is in this list. There we go. DevLab is already in there. You can see we have multiple different scanners in this environment. QA staging, you'll note, is offline, so I have a segment where one of my scanners is offline. Now let's go to policies. Let's create a simple policy. Host discovery. Let's call it discovery. And just host enumeration. Save. Let's go to schedules. We'll create a new schedule. And let's say dev lab discovery. I'm going to select that policy that we just created, discovery. I'm going to put it in my scans. Scanner, perimeter service. Let's scroll down, select that scanner that we did, put in the local IP range. In this case, we'll just use this RFC 1918 space for that scanner. Save. Now I've created a scan, which is going to trigger from perimeter service a scan on this local host. And now let's launch that scan. See, it's successfully launched. And even though it's running on a remote host, you can see that this one is pending and will scan. That's all there is to it. Please evaluate Nessus and Perimeter Service now at Tenable.com, or see all of the resources we have available to help you get the most out of your Nessus and Perimeter Service installations. Thank you.